I get it. Get it, I get it. Some things don't work and that's the way love goes. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. Oh, get it, I get it. Oh, get it, I get it. Oh, get it, I get it. I get it, 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 I get it.
I'm sitting here and I'm realizing that I didn't record an intro at all, and I'm trying to edit this. So we're gonna do it now, Bookie. But I do want to be what it is. It's your girl Serena back with another video. This is gonna be a collective vlog again. And then you're gonna get my spring break. So I'm on spring break right now. I have a couple of things planned that I'm gonna do. And yeah, blessings and peace. Please, guys, make sure that you're commenting and liking the video. That brings engagement, and liking definitely does help. Follow my social medias, they'll be down below. And yeah.
I feel so bad for not taking you guys with me. I feel so bad for not taking you guys with me. But today, God did. God, my almighty Jesus. He did the big one. Actually, he did. And not only did he did the big, he did exceedingly, hey, abundantly, above all that. Oh yeah. He did it all. He did it all. My God, my God, he did it, and he always does. Oh, I just wanted to give the glory and the praise to God. Let me just explain. Y'all don't understand. Y'all don't understand. Like, let me just break it up for you. So, about a month ago, it was announced that Melissa Murray, legal scholar, okay, Miss Legal Scholar, was gonna come to my school. Now, to other people on an outside lens, it's probably like, oh, this is nothing. Like, oh, you know, you always meet people like this. Y'all, I fangirl, Lloyd. I do. I fangirl, and I fangirl a lot, and I fangirl big. Amen? Because when I see people that are above and beyond and just share the same characteristics, I just feel like, amen, like God did this big one. But yeah, so the list of events were announced, and the first thing that was announced was a presidential welcome ceremony. Do you want to know who was on the presidential welcome ceremony? Miss Simone Sanders. If you know me, there are 3 women that are constantly being talked about in my life. Constantly. And sadly, I won't ever be able to meet one of them. Shirley Chisholm, Joy Henry, and Simone Sanders. And do you want to know? Do you want to know what me, Serena Elise Edwards, had the privilege of doing? Do you know what me, Serena Elise Edwards, the student journalist of Brooklyn College, got to do? Your girl got to not only did your girl get to a one-on-one exclusive interview, which we'll get into that because that pissed me clean off. Myself, I pissed me off. I got to do an interview with the Melissa Murray for the Vanguard. But do you want to know what else God was able to bless me with? Meeting Simone Sanders and sitting down and interviewing her. Sitting down, the woman I watch on The Weeknd for her show, The Weeknd. I got to sit down and talk to her. One thing about God, He's on time at all times. Amen. He's on time at all times. I just feel like crazy. That's so crazy. That's so crazy. So I just give praises to the Lord. I hate when it doesn't record when I'm speaking. Tripod broke. Another one is coming tomorrow. I want to make another video. My camera's about to die. I'm gonna film a video right now. It's called Christianity Does Not Equal Comfortability. And yeah, I had that in the vault for a minute now. Also, thank you for 190 subscribers. Like, thank you guys so much. I don't think you understand how long I've been having goals, and like just seeing that it's actually coming into plan. I really just love that. And also just being able to be me and spread the word and do like what I want to do. Amen, amen. Like, I'm just really happy about that. God ever has a plan for me, and just trusting in Him is really all I could do. So yes, we love that. So probably by the time that you see this vlog, that video will be out. So make sure that you go and check out my not only commentary, but what the Lord had put on my spirit back in January. As I'm learning, as I'm going through things, the Lord has never, and He will never fail me. So I just really feel like spreading the gospel and just stopping the fear of spreading the gospel is something that needs to happen in this season. Also, just being persistent with getting my word in. But there is one, like, I have most of my scriptures down packed from the last video that I did with you guys about like understanding the Bible. I really think that video did a lot for not only me but for you guys. And yes,
love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up.
Hey y'all, it's me Jada, your current arts editor, your future managing editor. I look so good in this light, Serena. This is gorgeous. I might steal this.
No.
We're just trying to arrange ourselves so we can take this goddamn picture. You want to say hi to Serena's vlog? Serena's vlog is hot. This is so cute. Everyone say hi to Serena's vlog. I don't know, but we're gonna get y'all in there. Say hi to Serena's vlog. Get a camera around the room. Yes. But I'm the star of the show. Our future leaders. Hello. All right. So I'm gonna check on the notebook. Yes. They're so much better. It's literally so cute. Oh, that's gorgeous.
One suggestion, keep it so that when you aim, it's like at a straight angle, because when you do it sideways and you look at the finished product, it's a bit different.
Okay.
Really cute. That's the pose. Wait, stay in that pose for a second. Alright.
I have a very special guest with me today. This woman right here helped me in journalism. Beautiful Kate.
Oh my God, you're so sweet. Good to be back.
Yes, Kate is with us today, and I'm very excited because I haven't seen Kate since.
Oh my God, it's been a while.
Right. It's been a while. But to be fair, Kate graduated last semester, so I wouldn't be on this campus either. Oh, but we love her, so we're on to the next location.
Hard times without the people you love. Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord. start up a buck, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely, and as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with